Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, Head Currency Analyst. In this video, we're going to take a little look at pound US dollar. I was asked to look at this on one of the YouTube comments, so I thought I'd cover it. And I do like the potential for a reversal on pound in line with the dollar buying. If we look at the sort of weekly time frame, what really kind of what makes me want to sell this market is the fact that we have some divergence. So if you can see here, price is continuing to form higher highs. However, we are starting to see lower highs on our RSI indicator. Typically when we see things like that and see divergence starting to come into the markets, we do see a reversal. So that is a decent sign that we could see some further downside from there. The second thing is we've actually retested this structure from over here. Now, I would have liked it to have moved a little bit higher, but in context of where all the other majors are at the moment, it looks to me like this sort of section that we were looking at over here, I don't think we will see that reaction unless there's something that can really drive the markets forward going into this week for the US dollar. But at the moment, looks to me like we could see that dollar strength continue, even if it's only in the short term. So looking for that nice little bearish candlestick in there on Friday session. If we look at the 4-hour session, now the market is kind of acting in this sort of large sort of consolidation pattern. There's sort of a huge area up here and the market continues to sort of bounce off this trend line support going forward. So I'm looking for a good breakout to the downside. One thing I did like this morning was the opportunity here. So the market formed a bit of a double top pattern, broke to the downside, rallied back up, retested that structure in there. Nice bearish lower low, lower close candle or an advanced engulfing candle. And now we're starting to see the market drop to the downside. So I do like the opportunity of getting short on pound, but more in line with the dollar strength more than anything. Now, one area I'd look to do that, or two areas I'd look to do that, is a break of these lows. So if price can break below these lows here, around about 136.30, if price can break below these sorts of lows in there, confirm the breakout, then I'd happily look for a retracement trade and a continuation at that point. That would also be a break of this trend line. Okay, so if the market can break out of that trend line, break out of those lows, we've got some movement here to look for to the downside. Okay, but at the moment, price is still just kind of making its way towards that sort of move there. Daily, you can see that consolidation in a little bit more of a large scale view there, and you can see the consolidation at that point. So, you know, again, what I quite like about this is even on the daily time frame, highs are getting higher. The RSI is showing lower highs consecutively for these highs through there, so showing us that the buyers are really losing some steam here. So opportunity to get short on pound would be, you know, end of day closes or breaks in trend on 4-hour time frames. Hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll speak to you soon.